So guys, welcome to this video. Today we talk about why we do such a big marketing effort, why we spend so much money, and to be honest, we spend more than $1 million already just in marketing during running BodyTime. Really, more than $1 million. That's really a lot. And why we are doing that, and why we are spending more and more money in advertising, that these messages are coming to you guys. Let me explain you why. It's because of our vision. Our vision and what we really want to accomplish the most is to help you guys to live a better life. And that this information comes to you, we have really a big marketing effort, and that's why you can also help us by sharing this information with your friends and listen to us and go out of your comfort zone and start doing something what brings your life much more quality. So this really fills me with overwhelming gratitude, because this is what really I wish the most, not just for me, because me, I love to contribute informations and share it with you guys, and not just for me, it's for you, because really I want to see you successful, and you will be successful by subscribing to all our channels, getting a free health and fitness secrets membership today, because it's done. As I was talking in other videos, we launched our flagship health and fitness secrets that's gonna help you forever to be in touch with us and for free to get fit. It's our pre-launch, and just start using it now, because later on for sure it cannot be always for free. That's a value of 3,444 dirhams, what it's actually for free, but in future it can cost something, of course, because there is really a big value, and there will be a support team behind who is working on these things, and these people are costing money, the office costing some, we have to pay for the rent and a lot of things, so we need to cover also some expenses. Okay guys, but let's go ahead to explain you why we do this effort in marketing. There is two reasons why we do that. Reason number one, as I was telling you, because we don't care about if you join our products or if you didn't join our products. From my life, nothing gonna change. I will live always the same life. I will do always the same thing. I have my own standard of living. But what I wish the most, as I told you before, is to change your life, to make your life to a better life. And if I can do it, you can do it also. And that I want to make for you crystal clear, that you understood you can do the same or even better. And that's why we advertise so much, that this message comes to you to understood one thing. We at BodyTime, we are not looking to subscribe you to memberships, to make you to pay long time commitments and stuff. We are looking only one thing. What we wish the most is, and that's what I need to understood, all the people who are working with me and all our customers. The number one reason why we are doing that, and the most important thing, is that you are doing something for your life, that you go to the gym, you go exercising outdoor, in your building, you do home workouts, as I show you on our health and fitness secrets application. Just get subscribed in the link below. So it's so simple. We just want to see you for free. We are not charging you for something, doing something for your health, because this is really the most important thing, and that's what makes you successful. That's what gonna help you to achieve any future goal. If your mental power and your body power is in balance, if you are a strong person, you're gonna accomplish more in your life. And that's what you want to see. You want to see you an active and healthy and fit person. That's for us the most important thing. I cannot stress it out enough to explain you over and over again, because that's the most for what we are looking at. That's the most what cares for us. We care a lot about you guys, that you are living healthy. That's what you need to understand. We want to see you fit. I can say it over and over again. It's always the same thing. You need to exercise, do it healthy, to exercise not every day but every second day, to do something for your life what gives you a better and more life quality. And that's what you wish the most, to understood, do something. And then is option B. If you don't find the time and the motivation, yes, because it's really not always so easy as it looks like. You need to stand up from your comfort zone and to start doing something. From my point of view, it's really easy. It's a pity to say all the time I don't have time, because if it's so hard, Why you do the other things, cleaning your teeth, taking shower, going out of the house, breakfast, cleaning your home and stuff? It's fun? No, it's work, it's hard, and you're doing it. Why you was learning to walk? It was so easy learning to walk. Over years you learn walking, over years you learn talking. Why you was doing it if it's so hard? Okay, we do the hard part of our life, and now it's maintaining our life. And we stop here. And that's the most important thing. And as I told you, if you don't have motivation and inspiration to do that things, that's why we are here. We are here to help you with our BodyTime solution. Because at BodyTime, we have personal trainer who motivates you and helps you, to fix exactly that issues, what holds you back for doing the necessary steps. And that's what our personal trainers are doing. They are working in your mind. They're understanding the problem, why you are lazy, why you are comfortable, what are the reasons why you are not accomplishing your fitness goals, and they're helping you to motivate you. And not just that, they're giving you the solution, our BodyTime solution, what means 20 minutes, once a week only. Not every day, twice a week, 3 weeks, once a week, 20 minutes of full body workout with a personal trainer. So you never train alone, you are motivated, inspired by your personal trainer, controlled nutrition and everything. So from A to Z, everything you need is just 20 minutes once a week with our personal trainer at BodyTime, and you're gonna reach your fitness goals. How amazing is that? I know, it's so amazing that you cannot believe it, but I told you. You try it, you see it, you feel it. Same like the chocolate. You cannot know how the taste of chocolate is, right? You cannot know how tasty it is. You can watch videos, you can read about chocolate. As long as you don't try it, you will not know the taste of chocolate. Same is BodyTime, it's something you feel. Try it, you will feel it. By the first session, you will see the results already. One session is enough to convince yourself. You try it once, and then you see the results, and you win. You win the possibility to become a better version of yourself. And guys, that's really what we want the most. So join us and let us help you by keeping in touch with you. Subscribe to our channels, subscribe to our newsletter, and never unsubscribe, because today not, tomorrow not, 1 week no, 1 month no. One day we catch you, and if I can do it, you can do it, and you will do it also, and you will change your life, and you will love it. I promise you, you will love it. So get subscribed, and I'm happy to see you in our team, and let's get successful together.